Right, you want to buy a house that costs 400,000. You can afford to put 10% down. Right, here we go. If you can afford to put 10% down, what you're saying to yourself is what is 10%, so 0.10, of 400,000, okay? Now that comes out to be 40,000. So you can put down 40,000, which means you're going to borrow 360,000, okay? In other words, 400,000 minus 40,000. So that's what you borrow, because you can afford to put that down, and that's your total of $400,000 for the house. Okay, right then. So let's look at part B. Interest rate of 4% for 30 years. Right, so I have to use one of these big nasty formulas. Here it is. Okay, so my mortgage, my payment, okay, is going to be, right, how much I borrow, the amount I'm going to borrow, which was 360,000, okay? That's the P. The interest rate, remember, was 4%. We're going to do this monthly, so 12 times a year. That is all over. Right, 1 minus 1 plus. Again, the 0.04 over 12. Now then, to the minus. Now remember, n is 12, and the amount of years is 30. Okay? Right, so let's do a bit of simplification of this. Well, first of all, let's just do the numerator. So, 0.04 divided by 12 equals, it's at 0.00333333, etc., okay? I'm going to then multiply by 360,000. Okay, so all of this on the top is 1,200. Okay, remember I did that first in my calculator, and I multiplied by the 360,000, and that's what I got. So that's my numerator. The denominator is the awkward one. So I'm going to do this piece first, 0.04 divided by 12. Again, remember, equals 0.00333333. I'm now going to add the 1. Okay, add the 1. So all of this inside this parenthesis is 1.003. Remember this 3, my pen's not working very. 3, it's going to keep on going forever, all right? So that's what I should have done, okay? Right, now I'm going to keep that on my calculator, 1.00333333. I'm going to raise it to the power of negative 360, because that's what 12 times 30 is. Remember, n is 12 because it's monthly, and 30 years, that's 30, okay? 30. So I'm going to raise 1.0033 to the power negative 360. So here we go. Raise it to the power of a 360, but minus, that equals, right, this, all of this now that I've done here is 0.301795865, and it goes on forever and ever. But remember, I've got to do 1 minus that. Remember this part here? Okay? So, if I do 1 minus that, now remember, I'm going to do it backwards. I'm going to do 0.301795. I'm going to take away the 1. That gives me the negative answer. But, okay, what this is 0.69820413488. And it's going to keep on going, okay? But that, of course, now is my denominator, okay? So I'm going to go up here and put it here. In other words, I'm going to do 1,200 divided by this number, okay? 1,200 divided by this. Okay, so, what was that again? So, 1,200 divided by 0.698204134. Okay, that gets 1718 and 70 cents. Okay, so again, 1718 and 70 cents. That is my mortgage. Okay, that's probably part B. Let's go back to the original question. There you go. That's my monthly mortgage payment. So again, 1718 and 70 cents. It's money. Only 2 decimal places. Right, how much interest do you pay the bank over the 30 years? Right, I'm going to pay, if that's what I pay, if this is what I pay a month, then the total amount I pay the bank is 1718.70, okay, times 360. Okay, remember, 12 payments a year for 30 years is 360. So 1718.70 times 360. Make sure, I think I made a mistake on there. 1718.70 times 360 equals. Right, it is. Over 30 years, I'm going to pay back $618,732. That's how much I pay back the bank. But remember, I only borrowed $360,000. So the difference between those two numbers is just how much I've actually paid in interest. So if I take away 360, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in other words, I have paid the bank interest a total of $258,732. Great.